Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at ATS Pristine Golf Villas project, which is located in Sector 150, Noida. So friends, we are giving you the interior view of a villa, which is in construction stage. So this is the entry from the basement parking. Here is the pantry. This is the lift area in the villa. And this is the living hall, or you can say the family hall. Here is the home theater. The spacious theater, as you can see. And just next to it, this is the bar. So this we have given you the view of the basement. And now we are moving towards the ground floor, and here comes the lift area. This is the family hall. And in front of the family hall, this is the open space for the lawn. So friends, this is the dining hall, the dining area. And now we are moving towards the kitchen area. And this is the view of the kitchen space with separate utility area. And now we are moving towards the bedroom area. So this is the bedroom with attached balcony, and here is the attached washroom. Now we are on the first floor, and here you can see the lift area, and this is the living area with attached balcony. So friends, this is the view from the balcony. Here is the washroom area. Now this is the bedroom area. And this is the family hall or the living area. This is the utility area, and over there is the washroom area. And now we are moving towards the bedroom. So friends, this is the bedroom area with attached balcony. And this is the view from the balcony. From here you can take the exterior view of the construction site. So now we are on the top floor and we'll give you the exterior view from the terrace. So this is the terrace of the villa. And over there you can see the ongoing construction work of the basement parking. So this is the location of the project, that is ATS Pristine Golf Villas, which offers luxury 4 BHK villas for the residents. And here on the top floor we have the 2 servants' room. One is this and another one is just next to it. So these are the 2 servants' room on the terrace of this villa. So as you can see friends, the project is surrounded by the green environment. So this is the view from the top floor. This is the view of the construction site, and as you can see, the construction work is going on in full swing. So this is the whole project location of ATS Pristine Golf Villas, which is situated in Sector 150 Noida. So friends, this is the exterior view of villa. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.